Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can convert your PDF to Word document. But before doing that, do subscribe to my channel so that I can provide more videos like this. So now coming back to the video, let's say I want to convert this PDF to a Word document. To do so, I will first open MS Word, click open. Then in this button, you have to click open, or if you have opened this page, then just go to file, then click open. Select the location where the PDF is. For example, my one is in desktop. So I will go here and I will check the PDF file. Okay, this is the PDF file that I want to convert. So I will click open it and click here OK. And this is the PDF file that I want to convert it to Word documents. You can also edit here, ending document. And now to convert it to PDF, you just have to save it. Click on save as, select the location where you want to save the file. I want to save it in the desktop. So see here, you can see there is a extension called docs. So just you click save, and now your PDF is converted to a Word document. As you can see, now you can open it in your Word document. So this is how you can easily convert your PDFs to Word document without using any online tool. Thank you.